you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay? Right? Like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever more. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as
forever more. People that use.
All right, man. Yes. What is going on? My name is Gerald Peters. Welcome back to the channel. Listen, always remember, whatever it is you think about comes about. And I promise you, whatever it is you focus on grows. So let's focus on your money. Let's focus on getting control of your long-term and your short-term money, man. Let's get you the fuck out of debt. If you haven't read my free ebook, You Don't Have to Die Broke, get on it, man. That's your homework right there. Let's get your shit together. Let's turn you into a money machine. Let's get you trading the stock market. Listen, I got an upcoming week-long swing class. It'll be one session every day for 5 days. That's the plan. Obviously, leave a little room for makeup. You'll get it recorded, okay? And I'm going to go over it using real time, real market conditions, and break up the class over 5 periods. And you get a one-on-one with me for 1 hour, us trading live Bitcoin. We won't trade for real. It'll be paper trading. But we can sit and talk and go through it, see the stage 1, the stage 2, and stage 3 develop. If that sounds like something you're interested in, man, listen. Text the word GO to me, okay? And we're going to do the money flow trading system swing trading course. Text the word GO to my cell phone, and then I'm going to send you back to particulars. Obviously, I got to limit this because I can't do a 1 hour with 50, 60 people, okay? So if you're interested, text me the word GO. I'm going to reply back to you in order, give you a chance to pay. Won't be that much, man. Be under $200. It's going to be a week long and an option for you to do a one-on-one with me where we could trade together in the evening or whenever's convenient for you. Let's get into it, man. We're here to talk about Bitcoin right now. Let me pull up a chart, and I'm going to put my number in here for you to text me. Let's see. Let's pull up a chart. Boom. I guess I got to get logged in. All right. If you don't know, guys, already, if you don't know this is StockCharts. This is what I use. So if you do a class with me, I'm going to recommend this thing. They have made some slight changes. So if I look confused, that's why. They've recently made us all move over to the new system. And I put it off as long as I could. So now I'm having to catch on. But I'm going to show you some cool things that I've seen since I moved over. But if you come over here, this says your chart list. These are folders that I have with all of the different things like the dogs of the Dow, dump folder, extreme yield, option income funds. There's 158 in there. Growth, there's 32 in there. High yielding stocks, there's 173 in there. MFG crypto coins. Portfolio 3, portfolio 4, portfolio 5, the spiders. So you see what I'm doing there, okay? These, when I click these, watch what happens. Boom. There's all the stocks that are in this thing. And over here, you can deep dive. You can get into it. How much are you up for the year? How much are you up? Whatever. But then we can just get into looking at the charts. And maybe we want to blast through them. So we do chart list view. Okay. And that allows us to really flip through the charts at a relatively decent pace. Okay. One new feature I noticed they got over here is they now have a thumbnail zoom. So if you look right here, come down into here, see where right here, you'll see it says zoom thumbnail. Click that, boom. And it zooms in on price. It zooms in on about a week right here. So you can just get a little bit better picture. I know for day trading, man, I really, really appreciate that. And I have enjoyed it. Okay. Hey, if you're not subscribed to the newsletter, you're watching the video, click the QR code and get on this Bitcoin thing, man. We're swing trading the Bitcoin. I trade the fuck out of Bitcoin using perpetual contracts and futures contracts over at ClickBank or Coinbase. It's the easiest futures exchange that I've seen to use, man. If you're not doing that, why you being like that, man? Come on, man. It's time to get cool. Time to get your head out of your ass and start doing some trading. So come on over here. If you go over, boom. This is the website, the MFG Bitcoin Trade Report with GP. This is with me, man. And these are articles and everything. And so I'm going to keep you up to date. I trade Bitcoin 24/7, guys. I'm always in it. And if you're not sure, go over there and click that get off zero immediately. And let's see if we can't get you fixed, man. Make you cool again. All right. So get on the email list. No cost right now. We'll try to keep that way as long as I can. If I get some support with this, I got a swing trading seminar coming up. So that's going to be a week long using real market conditions. So that should make it kind of fun, man. And last time I did one, we did 30 days. That about killed me. I can't do that again, okay? But we'll do some one-on-one time. It will be limited. I'll get it out, get it paid. And even if you can't attend, you can watch the videos and still book the one-on-one with me. How about that? That's all right. That's pretty cool. All right. Hey, if you haven't had a chance to read the 5 trader agreements, man, I would look at them. Number one, honor your system. Follow it. And keep your word, man. Keep your damn word. Let me get the Bitcoin back. I'm over here getting crazy. Keep your damn word. That's number one, okay? So here we are. We're at 110,326, and we've pushed up. We've pushed up above the 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of the last 7 bars have pushed up over the green line. The green line is the 20-period moving average, and here's the 20-day. And look, man, you can see this thing wants the money flow. Look at this. Sideways up, sideways down, sideways up, sideways down, sideways up, sideways down, sideways up, sideways down. Right? You see where we're going. So I think we're about to break to the upside here. We've got what we got a little call it what I used to call a little bit of a coiled spring, man. A coiled spring. You can see it coming in like this. See it? I drew it on there. It's coming in. Tends to break to the direction it had been going, man. Newton's law of motion. What's in motion tends to stay in motion. We are in a motherfucking bull market in stocks and crypto, okay? And commodities and gold. The only thing not participating is fucking oil, okay? And the XLP and the packaged food companies, you know, some of them and some of the pharmaceuticals, they're not participating. But tech's doing what it does. Bunch of other stocks, the Ubers, the Lyfts, the growth plays, you know. So yeah, this hasn't been great for if you're in the second income stream. This is not the best environment for us. Don't worry about it, man. We're going to get our money. We're going to get paid. You're getting paid every week, you know. So don't worry about it, man. Calm down and use this time to get some share count, man. You ain't got enough money in the strategy anyway. All right, so everything looks like it's pointing up, man. We're back to a stage 1. You know, if you look here, we bounced off the 200. The 200 acted as support. But if you look, man, we got a lot of other support too. Look at this. You know, this is pretty sticky zone in here. Look, all the times it stopped over here and here and here and here and here. That's a sticky zone, man. And so basically, I think we're playing a little game here of 116 and 106. So it's about a $10,000 to $12,000 range. And in my experience, that's what the fuck Bitcoin likes to do, this $10,000 to $12,000 consolidation range. And if you drop down in time continuity, layering time over each other, we're going to talk a lot about this in the seminar coming up. If you don't see it on the screen, go down, man. Go down and oh wait, here it is. Let's see. All you gotta do is text me. And I'm gonna start sending some of these out tonight or tomorrow, man. Let me create one. Text the word go to GP at 36-661-7786. This is my personal number. Respond back to you in the order in which they come in, give you a chance to pay for your spot, and it'll be all week next week. If you can't make a date, cool. You know, you don't have to. You can play it back, and you can always text me. I'll be there. I'll be interactive, and man, we'll get you going. So text the word "go" to join the beginning swing trading. There. All right, so there we go. Text the word "go" to 936-661-7786 to join the beginning swing trading boot camp. We're going to get your trading on track, man. If you're pretty experienced, maybe you sit this one out, but think you got some shit to work on, or just like doing it, like the content, want to help G out, all those things are very welcome, man. So we're about, I think this weekend we're going to push up. I think we're going to open up Monday, man, around 111, 112,000. I think we're going to push in through, and we're going to run up here into this 116 and hopefully push through to 126 and keep going, man. That's what I'm hoping for. So I'm long right now. I'm adding to the perpetual contracts. I'm adding to the organic, just regular Bitcoin, and I'm adding to my futures contracts right now. I got a pretty nice leverage position on, okay? So, hey, anything I can do to help you, man, reach out to me, okay? And if you're not already, hit the QR code. Go on over there to the Peters. You guys know this, the Peters Report.com, man. I'm going to put it in the, there it is right there, man. Oh, man, I didn't do it right, did I? There we go. Huh. Yep. There we go. The PetersReport.com, man. And then that's the mothership. That's the flagship newsletter. But get on this Bitcoin when it's free. And get on the second income stream. People are making fat money over there. So I'm not even going to talk to you about the cost of that. That shit's paid for itself in the first week. So, man, if you ain't on that one, you're just, something's wrong with you. You don't like money. You're getting paid every day, every week, man. It's crazy. We got people over there making 25, 35, 45. Someone was showing us $65,000 in dividends this month from their second income stream business. Blew my mind. I'm about to break. I'm over 9,000. I was pushing to make that 10,000 a month by the end of the year. It doesn't look like I'm gonna make it, but I got damn close. So anyway, that's it, man. God bless.
Of value. We call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them.